Chris Evers here from Pavement Technology Inc. and we are out on an asphalt pavement that is only about a year old, and we are preserving it by spray applying an asphalt rejuvenator. Exactly, the rejuvenator is called reclamite, so that is what's being applied, and the material is going to penetrate down into the asphalt pavement and soften the asphalt binder, extending the life by about 5 years per treatment. So this section was spray applied about 20-25 minutes ago. Both lanes, it's penetrated very effectively. You can see that the material, the reclamite, is almost completely penetrated by now. You'll see a little bit of residual pink at the surface. That pink is just there as a pigment, and it is there to tell the crew that they have the right application rate. So that is it, and it's only going to stay for the first interim period of time prior to the material penetrating into the pavement. From here, as we get a little closer to the pavement, you can see the condition of the asphalt right now. It is in good condition, free of any kind of distresses, and that's a perfect time to go in and preserve it with the top of the curve asphalt rejuvenator like reclamite. If you look at this, you can see that there's really no raveling, no surface defects of any kind. It has started to oxidize and fade a little bit, but that's about the only thing that's been occurring on this pavement since it was paved last year. So what we're going to look at here is the joint, and you can see it's got an inverted crown. That is difficult to deal with because as the pavement ages, the water is basically carried right down the center of the roadway, and it will work on this joint and continue to penetrate. So what we're doing is sealing the water from intruding down into this joint, and we're going to preserve this joint and thereby make the roadway last longer.